Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. So today I will be serving you some delicious food idioms and not items. So yes, in today's video we will be talking about some food idioms that will help you to express better and most importantly speak efficiently and confidently in English. So why wait? Let's get started. The first one is piece of cake. When we say that something is piece of cake, which means or which signifies that something is very, very easy to do. Like if I use it in a sentence, I finished the maths test in just 10 minutes. It was a piece of cake for me. It meant that something was very easy. The next one is to spill the beans. Now, to spill the beans means to reveal the secrets, right? So something that you're hiding or something which is like a surprise or something which is a secret, to reveal that, which means to spill the beans. Like we planned a surprise birthday party for my father, but my brother spilled the beans, which means he revealed the secrets. The next is cool as a cucumber, like which means to be very, very relaxed, calm and stress-free during any kind of a situation. So if I use it in a sentence, my father is as cool as a cucumber even during the most stressful period. So he is as cool as cucumber. The next one is in a nutshell, which means to summarize, बहुत डिटेल्स में नहीं बात करके उस पूरी बात की जो समरी है उसको छोटे तरीके से प्रेजेंट करना. Like Priya said to Ram that please tell me everything in a nutshell. I don't have time to know the small minute details. So she just wanted to know the summary of the meeting. The next one is have a lot on my plate. Now, I'm not talking about those dinner parties where I put a lot of food on my plate. So having a lot on my plate means having a long to-do list, which means already having so many things which needs to be done. Like right now, I have too much on my plate, which means, or maybe I have a lot on my plate, which means that currently, I have got so many things which I really need to do. Let me use it in a sentence. I have a lot on my plate right now. I really need to plan the trip, finish editing my videos, and most importantly, prepare the children for their exams. The next one is butter someone up. It means to flatter somebody. Okay, to flatter somebody, which means you're trying to convince somebody in a negative way. So, he was trying to butter up the manager just before the appraisals. So he's trying to butter up or maybe flatter him or tell him some very nice and good things so that his appraisals go very strong. The next one is bite off more than you can chew, right? It means like bite off more than you can chew means to take up a lot of things or a lot of responsibilities which you can't handle, which is not possible. Like if you see, if I put one entire apple into my mouth, will I be able to chew it? No. So I'll eat with small bites or I'll nibble on it. So in the same way, Ria took 3 projects in her hands and she could bit off more than she could chew, which means she couldn't handle any one of them. The next one is cry over spilled milk. This is the most common one, which means to regret about something which did not happen. कुछ हो गया है और वो जब हो चुका है तो उस पर रो करके या उस बात की तकलीफ करके nothing will happen. So yes, it is not worthy. So get up and start preparing for your exams. There is no point crying over the spilled milk. The next one is take it with a grain of salt, which means don't believe everything completely. Don't believe everything completely. Like my friend says he is best friends with a celebrity, but I am taking it with a grain of salt, which means I'm not believing him completely. The next one is apple of my eye, and this is my most favorite. It means Apple of my eyes, when we refer it to people or certain things, it means they are your most favorite, most loved, or very, very close to your heart. My little brother is the apple of my eyes, which means I love him the most. So these are the 10 food related idioms that we learned today. So yes, if you know any more, please let me know in the comment box. So, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep thriving, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.